In this video tutorial, I will show you how to create a simple pie graph in Excel. Using a graph is a great way to present your data effectively. So let's start the tutorial. Excel offers many different chart types, and choosing the right graphs can make your data presentation clear and engaging. In this tutorial, we will take some to explore the pie chart. First of all, we need to select the area with the relevant data. The data we want to present in the graph. Click on the Insert tab. Go to the Section Charts, and select the Pie Chart option. There are more chart options to choose from, but for now, we will pick the 3D one. Excel will immediately draw the chart and insert it into the spreadsheet. Now, let's see what we can do to improve the chart or customize it more to great looking. The position of the chart within the spreadsheet can be adjusted by clicking on the blank space within the chart area, holding the left mouse button, and moving the graph in any direction to place it exactly where you need it. You can easily adjust the size of the chart too. Simply click on any corner of the chart area on one of the little circles, and drag any direction until the size of the chart is just what you need it to be. The title of the graph now contains the caption, Chart Title. You can rename the pie chart title anything you want. Just click on the chart title to make it editable, and type in your own title. And we're still not finished here. You can also change the color and design of the chart according to your preference. Click on the blank space of the chart area again. Then go to the Design tab and find the option to change color to pick from a selection of colors. In addition, the whole graph design can be changed in a similar way. Go to the Design tab once again. Look for Chart Styles. Click on the drop-down arrow, and you will see a list of options to choose from. You can select the style that suits you best. Here is one more thing before we finished. A graph in Excel is dynamic, which means that if you change any data in the source table, it will be reflected in the graph too. For example, if we change data from the table, the chart has automatically updated to show this new value. If you found this video tutorial helpful, please give me a like and watch other video tutorials. Please remember to subscribe to my channel as well.